Listen, buster, you better start to move.
Hi, I'm Choptuik, Marketing Manager at McNaught Cadillac in Winnipeg, Manitoba. And today I'm excited to introduce to you the all-new Cadillac CT5. Now in recent years, Cadillac has definitely brought some serious competition to the luxury sedan market, with other competitors such as BMW, Audi, and Mercedes-Benz. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you all the latest and greatest technology, features, and powertrain options that you'll find in the all-new Cadillac CT5. Now without further ado, let's get right into it. The Cadillac CT5 has a standard 2-liter twin-scroll turbocharged 4-cylinder, sports 237 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. The premium luxury has an available 3-liter twin-turbo V6 with 335 horsepower, and of course we can't forget about that V-Series with an available enhanced twin-turbo V6 pushing out 360 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque. The Cadillac CT5 has several different trim levels to choose from. There's the entry-level luxury trim, and then there's the premium luxury trim, which is more comfort-oriented. It's got that bright front accented grille, as well as some chrome alongside the exterior. And then you've got the sport trim, which has a more bold, aggressive front fascia, a gloss black front grille. You've got the widened side rockers, as well as an available spoiler on the back. You've got a bit of a thicker steering wheel, once again tying into that V-Series performance design. Last but not least, the fourth trim level is the V-Series trim. Now that's the performance version of this particular car. Now the Cadillac CT5's interior features a driver-focused design. The safety alert seat will provide some vibration feedback should you exit your lane without using a turning signal, or if you're approaching an object while parking. Now the Cadillac user experience has never been better. The CT5 sports a 10-inch diagonal HD touch display, as well as a rotary infotainment controller. Forgot your phone charger? Not a problem. The all-new CT5 features a wireless charging system, so you're always charged up for the road ahead. Plus, phone integration with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto allows you to stay connected at all times. Now, the available heads-up display will project important driver's information on the front windshield, helping you keep your eyes on the road. Last but not least, we can't forget about the 12-inch diagonal HD driver's gauge cluster, which once again gives you access to display whatever information is important to you. Now the Platinum package, which is available on both the Premium Luxury and the Sport, is what's going to give you your navigation and Bose premium audio system, your semi-aniline leather seats, as well as your driver's and passenger power lumbar massage function. You've also got an available Ultra View dual pane sunroof, which I personally love because it lets in a lot of natural light, giving the interior a much more spacious feeling. Adaptive Cruise is available in the all-new CT5. You've got the hands-free calling buttons, as well as your heated steering wheel function with the LED indicator, letting you know that that is turned on. The HD surround vision camera gives you an unmatched 360-degree bird's eye view, so you're able to see all of your surroundings as you're parking the vehicle. So one of the features I love the most about the all-new CT5 is the hands-free trunk release. As long as the keys are in your pocket and you got your hands full, you're able to simply kick just underneath the rear bumper, and the trunk's going to open right up, making things a lot easier when you got your hands full. The CT5 is Cadillac's flagship sedan, and it plays a crucial role in the brand's portfolio. With a variety of options and trim levels to choose from, the Cadillac offers an unmatched experience for both luxury and performance enthusiasts. If you have any questions or want to learn more about the all-new CT5, leave a comment below or visit our website at McNaught.com.